Guys, making a stop at the Allen Tucson Goodwill. See if they got anything good today. Let's go. I'd like to stop by Goodwill in the afternoon around 5 p.m. This is where they bring out new stuff. This is a cool find right here. I didn't look it up at the time, so I passed on it. I saw this Tiva brand slipper seem to be really high quality material made with a rubber sole on the bottom that's give really good grips. This gonna be really nice for fishing and getting into the water with it. Here's another pair of Tiva pretty quality built slipper, but they are too big for me. This pretty worn out, pretty decent quality slipper. Not a bad juicy culture fanny pack waistband. This is one of my favorite Starbucks coffee mug with a cap. It's easy to slide into your car cup holder. Found this really nice Ambassador Subaru cooler back here in pretty mint condition. This is nice to store some cold beverage in your car, or even do some pick up some cold frozen grocery bag for I think $4.99 for this one, or $3.99. Pretty decent deal for a nice quality bag. This is just a really old printer. You can see a picture of a Samsung Galaxy S3 on it. I see this pretty decent old Fox stripper, but there's only one piece, so what a bummer. Found this piece of toy here. It's pretty nice for your kid. Trying to dig through all the carts again, see if I can find a second pair of slipper, but I don't see it. This is another good find right here, a HP LaserJet printer with Wi-Fi. Online is close to $200 for this printer. I have this same one at home. Really love this printer because the toner is so cheap online, under $10 for a new toner. See this pair of Nike shoe right here, pretty decent shape, around $13. This pair of Crocs right here is $5.99. Exactly my size, but it seemed a little bit worn, so I passed it. Another pair of Nike shoe running for women. Found a good grill right here. I have the same one at home. I was looking for a second one, so this is a great find right here for 40 bucks. This unit is brand new in the box, never used. This is gonna come home with me. Guys, to help support my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment. Another good find here is the large XL air fryer on the left. This brand is really good and it works pretty well versus the other brand. The one on the right is a smaller one that I have used it for 12 years. So when I see this, I really want a bigger one for a while, and it's going for 50 bucks. But this one brand new is about 300 bucks for it. That old one still works pretty well. We use this like probably over a handful of time every day for 13 years. You can see the basket on this unit. It looks like brand new, barely used. A quick power test here, looks good. Hello guys, today I found some deal from the local American cast pawn. These hitch with all three sides of the rate up to 7,500 pounds. And before I got the one from Harbor Freight, but it only have 2" and 2 and 5/16. But this one, it came with the 1/8 adapter as well, so that's perfect for my trailer right here, which use a 1/8 adapter. This is perfect, nice fighting. That I weigh like 100, I think 130-ish something for the one from Harbor Freight. But this one I got it for 30 bucks with tax. Is 31.67. The brand is let's see, it's really nice unit. The brand is Aluma Toe. Pretty solid toe hitch. It's aluminum, hot to aluminum. And the other find from the Goodwill is a beach pop-up umbrella for $4.99. It's by Aventura here, so this is gonna be nice to have for $5. Can't beat that. Now I'm gonna go over the roadside pickup over the week. Found this nice pair of wooden shelf here. Found this still usable folding bedside table. It's about 30 bucks ish online. I found this elliptical bike. It looks like it's in good condition, still usable with some minor fix here. Found a couple more items. a bit big, but I just need this piece of glass for some shelving. Alright, bye now guys.